Hello, I'm LMTX, the Internet of Things advisor and trainer. I prepared the Introduction to IoT training to help you start your Internet of Things journey. During this training, I will explain the main principles of the Internet of Things using a virtual smart home example. I will show how to manage simulated devices leveraging the AWS Cloud. We are going to interact with AWS using the SDK for Python, but no programming knowledge is required to participate in this training. I prepared a sample Python code with easy-to-understand commands. I will explain every AWS service used during this training, so you'll understand what we are doing without any AWS experience. From the IoT perspective, we are going to establish trust in the distributed environment using the X509 certificates as proof of identity of connected devices. You will learn the MQTT protocol, one of the most popular protocols used in the Internet of Things deployments. You will gain hands-on experience solving multiple tasks using my interactive lab environment. Together, we will analyze the results of various AWS calls. We will review errors and find ways to solve them. I will show you the important limits of the AWS IoT Core service and how to overcome them. We will design and build a sample IoT use case with a serverless AWS backend. This training is currently available in two formats. Live virtual sessions led by myself. Every session is very interactive and the number of participants is limited. And self-study materials, if you prefer to learn on your own. I'm working on videos covering this scope and will release them shortly. To purchase this training, go to the thingrx.com/training. Feel free to contact me in case of any questions regarding this training and share what you build leveraging the knowledge you gain during this course. All the best, LMTX, the Internet of Things advisor and trainer.